Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am starting a pre-birthday vlog for this girl over here.
Yes, for my birthday.
She will be turning 5 next week, but we are celebrating a little bit earlier because we have a lot going on these upcoming weeks. So Victor,
stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Let's get to it.
I'll show you a little bit of today because I'm preparing and doing a few things for tomorrow, and I will show you around and we'll see what's gonna happen. We're starting with this garland that I used for one of my backdrops for colorful streamer backdrop, and yeah, it's still alive. It looks good. I want to put this one outside in front of our front door, so it would be pretty as well. Here is another decoration that I did for my channel. This is a Chinese lantern, lanterns extended from a fishing line, and as you can see over here a little bit, you can see twinkle lights or fairy lights, and it looks really cute when they are on. So this will be as a decoration as well. This guy, I made this centerpiece myself. I do have a footage. I am planning to share this one with you as well.
The nanny dancer.
Yeah, she's dancing away.
Because I need cute dancers.
Now here I have my eggs for a salad boiling. This is a new salad that my mother-in-law gave me the recipe for, so I'm trying this out. Clementines and all of the stuff that is ready to be used. So cute. These are holographic plates as well, so adorable, very pretty. And of course chips. Let's see over here. Here I don't have anything yet. I'm gonna be covering this table with the matching tablecloth with the breakfast area. And here I have these tulips that I had such a hard time finding. I'm going to cover this table and putting those tulips right in the middle. And of course, you guys, look at this beauty. This is my latest balloon garland that I did for you guys. I will link every single tutorial in the description under this video. So pretty. It's still alive. There's one balloon that deflated. It did, unfortunately. And I do have more tulips to match. Every single birthday, Nicole's birthday, I do buy tulips because it's spring and I feel like tulips are very appropriate. And we have some guests over there. They just arrived, and this is my mom and my dad-in-law. They just came to visit. All right, our guests left. It's a cocoa time, hot cocoa time, and some Russian marshmallow time as well.
Yeah, and that's your marshmallow time and the holiday creature. Hello.
Hi guys, good morning. So today is Sunday and we are going to our church service first, and then we are having guests over to celebrate this little girl over here. Not so little anymore. Not so little anymore.
Yeah, and I'm going to have some presents.
Yeah, she's gonna have some presents, and we'll have some decorations and cake, and we're gonna show everybody what we have, right?
I like cute cake.
You have a cute cake?
Yeah.
What kind of cake do you have?
Sprinkles and ice cream on top.
Yeah, and it's really cute.
Yeah, and it's really yummy.
Yeah. All right. Hi, hon.
Hi.
All right, we're gonna go, and I'll see you a little bit later. So we're home, right? let me, he's running away from me. Anyways, I'm gonna give you a quick sneak peek. Let me put my shoes on. That's the only shoes that are available right now. Let me show you what we did outside. We took this old balloon garland and we took it outside. Look at this. How awesome is that? Looks so pretty. So how did we attach it? Look at this, guys. So easy. My safety pins, I love pins and safety pins. I just pressed or pushed the safety pin right in the middle of the stone and this plastic wood, whatever, door decoration right here. And it holds really, really nice. And it's pretty windy where we live, so it holds really, really well. Did the same thing to the top. I pressed the safety pin right into this wood over here, and yeah, it holds really, really well. And also one fishing line attached to our light. Our first guest came. They already know.
Привет! Привет! С днем рождения, внучка! С днем рождения, Николюш!
Что надо сказать, Зайц? Что там? Wow, you have a whole bunch of balloons! That's my parents. Hello. Who's there? Oh, everybody almost. Все почти приехали, да?
Yeah, everybody's almost here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, okay.
Nikole, one more. Look at this.
Maybe this is a Barbie car again.
I don't know. Смотри.
Surprise!
Yay! Oh, you guys, this guy, he built that PVC frame and that's his business. Look it up. Yes, call him. Call him.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nikole. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha.
And we have a soccer match. Victor, are you gonna score?
Not going to score.
I scored.
No, you didn't. That didn't count.
Oh!
Alright, it counts from right here.
Okay, one more time.
Come on, Victor.
Score, 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 score. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this mini vlog. Our party is over. We still have my sister-in-law over and my brother. We're still hanging out and talking and all that stuff. I still need to clean and all that stuff. Yeah, you guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.